everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a whole house clean with me, but I'm only allowing 5 minutes in each room in my house. I feel like this will help me just tackle my entire house quickly after work, especially when I'm not motivated to get up and do it. This will just allow me to quickly get it done. I am going to be starting in the living room today, so I set a timer on my phone for 5 minutes. I wanted to start by picking up everything off the floor and putting it back to where it belongs. As you can see, I do have a little baby boy, so he makes it hard some nights to pick up, but we're going to go ahead and just tackle it. And today's video is in collaboration with two of my sweet friends here on YouTube. The first one is Sheila, and you guys, she posts amazing cleaning content, organizational, and decluttering as well. And she's a mama to 3 sweet little kiddos, and I'd love to have you guys go check out her channel. She posts every single Monday and Friday, and they're always amazing videos. And my other sweet friend Marissa over on Homemaking with Marissa, and she also posts amazing content for you guys. She does a lot. She does everything from cooking, cleaning, home decor, organization, you name it. And she posts almost every single day, which is amazing, you guys. So go ahead and make sure that you check out both of their channels. I'll have them linked down below in the bio for you guys, and let them know that I sent you over. And if you are stopping over from one of their channels, I just want to quickly say hi and welcome to you. My name is Melanie, and I'm a married mama to a 7-month-old little baby boy, and I do love to post cleaning motivation, and I would love it if you consider subscribing to my channel and sticking around.
You got me begging pretty please, I'm so hung up on you. I couldn't tell you what it feels like, but I sure think you do. Where do you go when your glass ends up empty? Oh, I wanna know, won't you let me know? Where do you hide when you leave me wasted? Oh, I wanna know. We're only lovers when we count down. Tell me when to stop, tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're not bound. Lovers on the clock, I'll be ready when we go down.
Lovers on the clock, I'll be ready when we go down.
So now that we got the living room done and tackled, I'm going to work my way into the kitchen, and you guys, for once in my YouTube lifetime, my kitchen is not a complete disaster. I know, take a look, there's hardly nothing on my countertops, which feels so good to say. I've been trying to keep up with my kitchen, and honestly, I need to do it more often because it makes cleanup time way less, which is worth it. And I did the same thing, so I set a timer on my phone for about 5 minutes, so let's see how much I can get done.
Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one that you need? Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. I can't be the one that you need. Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. Can I be the one that you need? try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed.
Thankfully, my kitchen did not take super long because, like I said, I've been keeping up on it. So now we're going to work on our master bedroom. I didn't have too much to do either. I just wanted to make our bed and then vacuum.
Like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do, I do, I do, I do, I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. I do, baby, I do, I do, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose, let loose, let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, 'cause I do. Tell everybody I do, I do. Deep down and in those eyes, think I have memorized.
And the timer did run out just as I was almost done vacuuming, so I decided to go ahead and just finish.
Keep dancing in your mind. You'll be my nighttime Valentine. You make me feel like I'm made of colors.
Now moving on to the master bathroom, I'm just going to set a timer yet again and see how much we can tackle. We always set a lot of stuff up on the vanity and never put it away, so I'm going to do that now. And then I just wanted to clean up after bath time with baby boy, since we do take his baths in our bathroom here.
Yesterday I told you I think that we made a mistake, 'cause you and I, we lost our sight. It's all about give and take. I don't wanna see when you're at parties with Ollie and the others. You know I really got along with him and your family. Your ex got barely saw. Did we do it right? You know, no. Did we speak from our hearts so we could make it right without a fight? You know, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right. It got me spinning round, round. 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 I'm standing here in plain sight. Still it doesn't seem like you see me. I hate everything about this night. Doesn't matter what I do can get to you. I don't wanna see when you're at parties with Ollie and the others.
And that took me exactly 5 minutes, which I was super proud of. It's amazing how much you can get done if you just set a timer and just go as fast as you can. I'm definitely going to be implementing this more often since I do work full time and it's hard to pick up during the week, so I'm going to try this more often, I think. And then as you saw, I went ahead and moved into our entryway. All I wanted to get done was picking up the shoes and sweeping the floors.
I don't know if you know yet what's all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never.
And now for the last room that I wanted to get done this day was just this half bathroom that we have on our main level. I do get ready for work in this bathroom just because it's easier to keep an eye on my son. So I'm just going to go ahead and put away all of the things that I use to get ready and then give this bathroom a good wipe down.
Coming to get you, wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights.
that's going to be it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and let me know down in the comments if you try this out for yourself. I did get this video idea from Jessi Christine, so I'll have her channel linked down below as well. But I honestly love this idea of just dedicating 5 minutes to each room in my house, and I will be using it more often for sure. And make sure you guys go ahead and check out Sheila and Marissa's channel. I will have them linked down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Coming to get you.